Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell domain on Flippa. So selling a domain on Flippa is a straightforward process, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide to help you get started. So the first step to do is to visit the Flippa website, then go to the Flippa official website, then log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Then click on sell now, which is on the home page. Then click the sell now button to start the listing process. Then provide the domain address details. So enter the detail of your domain, such as the domain name, its age, traffic stars, and revenue it generates, and be as detailed as possible to attract buyer. Then choose a selling method. So Flippa offer two main selling method, which is so after that you can set your option. So set a starting price and let buyer bid. You can also set a reverse price to ensure the domain doesn't sell below a certain amount. Then after that, set a fixed price and negotiate directly with a buyer. And after that, if you are unsure about pricing, Flippa provides tools to help you estimate the value of your domain. And after that, list your domain. So once you file in all the details and choose a selling method, submit your listing. Then Flippa will review it, and before it goes live, then promote your listing. Share your listing on social media or other platforms to attract more potential buyer. Then also negotiate and finalize the sale. So response to buyer inquiries and negotiate offers. Once you agree on a price, Flippa facilitates the transaction securely, and that's how you can simply sell domain on Flippa. Find this video of you, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.